local security kwa kuna da bloke kuma ban kama kuna ba da mutane suna fara ba aikin da
On the track, we have this implemented.
The residents of the FCT are in for a big surprise and a good time from the Honorable Minister of the Federal Capital Territory. It may come sooner than was expected because what we've seen today is a great job. The facilities that were vandalized, we've gone through over 60% of the railroad. We took a ride on it. So I can very comfortably and conveniently and convincingly state that the vandalized part of the railroads have been duly completed. The cleaning is going on and the cables for the communication, I am told, are on the ports and will soon come in. So against the projection of about 9 months or so in the contract, I think we are going to have the masses ride on the train much earlier than was expected. So it's a great thing that we've seen today. And I needed to take a ride on the trains to be sure that, in fact, what I am being told is right. So we've had first-hand confirmation with my directors and other people, other stakeholders here, and we can say that what we have, and we've seen world-class facilities, and I'm impressed, and I'm happy to be a Nigerian that this has been installed and it is happening in our time.
Okay, Secretary, sir, the minister has taken this as a challenge for you that if the president right of this state is going to be a post, can you make the commitment that when or how soon the resident of the FCT will?
I just said that the contract for the restoration of what were vandalized was for about 9 months, right? 1 year. And now we are here less than how many? Less than 3 months. Less than 2 months. And we have seen over 50-60% of the railroads already completed, and the cables for the communication at the port. The cleaning at the airport, you saw it, at the airport terminal is already done. We went to the Basango terminal and everything. So we believe that in much lesser time than the contract period of 1 year, that the president will certainly ride. And you see, the concept and the vision of renewed hope is a catalyst to every work that is being done in this country. And this has also affected the program of execution of the restoration of the railways.
Okay. Security challenge is one of the factors that is bringing this into the slow movement. To forestall what happened in Kaduna that last year, what is the secretary going to do in order to put security measures in place to forestall what happened? The kidnapping.
Last week, when we visited the vandalized parts of the blockage, we stated that the key vision of the Federal Capital Territory Ministry and indeed Transportation Secretariat is hinged on 3 parts. A tripod of safety, that is security, affordability, and of course flexibility. That is to underscore that on every part of our operation, security is very important, and it could not be less on the railway, knowing what has happened. But you don't discuss security issues in the open.
Can you be sharing later? I was waiting for her to interfere.